Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Sydney. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there's this address bar. You need to type down nsw.gov and .au and enter it. And once inside this home page here, you can find the search. From here you need to type down traffic ticket and select enter. And after that scroll a bit down here and select this fines. Scroll a bit down again and select this pay your fine. And from here, select this pay now. And over here, you need to select this pay your fine or overdue fine now again. So from here, what you need to do is you need to simply type down your reference number of your fine or payment. And after that, you can select next. You need to follow the on-screen instruction and review the fine and amount owing. And you can pay by Visa or MasterCard. And after that, you can save your payment confirmation and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.